Good night. My name is Jessica Fernanda Maldonado Jimenez, date November 23 of 2020. Unit name is Unit 3, Step 4 Understand in the negotiation, and name tutor is Ingrid Tatiana Gomez. And see the problem three aspect, problem in the middle, and cause and effect. To be frank, the information acquired is the matter, and especially this unit has been new for me. In reality, I did not know that I was so complex to be able to value and patent technology innovation of creation. In the image, show and understand that I made with the bibliography and with my own research on the internet observed, uh, understanding and little fears to make it from biotechnology and later understand the selecting model technological transfer. The problem that I could find in the biotechnology process is related to several factors. Among others, the cost, the risk in calculation, the value. Since it is a risk due to the product verification processes and the time it takes to make the necessary tests. However, the cause could be the lack of resource for thinkers, the risk that biotechnology has emerged, and the delay in result due to the certainty in quality and warranty. Taking into account the above, it is important to talk about the effects towards economic loss to the default, and they will always be invention that must be tested is not at all safe and limitation in our innovation when having a partner. Proposal: if you have money to invest in but don't know what it is essential that you listen to me right now so that you understand a little about the advantage of support and biotechnology business. The sure thing is that it will have results, and the most important thing is that technology transfer model will allow you to have the warranty, and you will be able to commercially the products, and you will not have to worry about the place of production. Also, that warranties you the experience and the quality of the partner, making your investment more sure. Good night and thank you.